I used to think relaxation was all about sitting still and doing nothing, but then I discovered the power of progressive relaxation. It's like a secret weapon against stress and tension, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. Progressive relaxation is all about systematically tensing and then relaxing different muscle groups in your body. It's like giving each muscle a mini spa treatment, and the results are incredible. By consciously tensing and releasing each muscle group, you can train your body to let go of built-up tension and stress. Starting from your toes and working your way up to your head, you can feel the tension melting away with each breath. It's like a wave of relaxation washing over you, leaving you feeling lighter and more at peace. But the benefits of progressive relaxation go beyond just feeling good in the moment. Regular practice can help improve your sleep, reduce anxiety, and even lower your blood pressure. It's like a workout for your mind and body, helping you build resilience against the daily stresses of life. So, the next time you're feeling overwhelmed or tense, why not give progressive relaxation a try? It's a simple yet powerful technique that can help you find calm in the chaos of everyday life. Trust me, your mind and body will thank you for it.